Welcome to Sweet Life Beat Life. We hope this video helps.
In this video, I will explain how to play Cyberpunk 2077 on your Android device. Since the game is incredibly demanding, running it natively on a phone isn't feasible. The solution lies in cloud gaming, where the game runs on powerful remote servers and streams directly to your Android. Your device simply acts as a window, displaying the action and sending your commands, making Night City portable and accessible anywhere with a good internet connection. To dive into Night City, you'll need a cloud gaming service. Xbox Cloud Gaming is a popular choice, requiring an Xbox Game Pass Ultimate subscription to access its library. Alternatively, NVIDIA GeForce Now lets you stream games you already own on PC, like from Steam or Epic Games. There are also other platforms, such as Boosteroid, that support Cyberpunk 2077, each with its own pricing and game access model. Getting set up is straightforward. First, a stable internet connection is key. Aim for at least 10 megabits per second download speed. While some games offer touch controls, a compatible Bluetooth controller is highly recommended for Cyberpunk 2077. You'll also need to download the respective cloud gaming app from the Google Play Store or use a supported web browser. Ensure your Android device has at least 1 gigabyte of memory and runs Android 7.0 or later. For the best experience, connect to a 5 GHz Wi-Fi network to reduce input lag. You might also consider lowering the in-game graphics settings within the cloud service to achieve smoother frame rates. Long gaming sessions can drain your battery quickly, so keep your device charged or plugged in. Finally, close any unnecessary background applications on your Android to ensure maximum resources are dedicated to your cloud gaming stream.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.